Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to write viral YouTube scripts with Claude AI 2026. And you want to create viral YouTube script in minutes. In this video I'll show you how to actually use Claude AI to write high retention scripts that keep viewers watching until the end. Alright guys, so you may be wondering why writing viral script matters for your YouTube channel, but as YouTube goes, a viral YouTube video isn't just about your editing. It's not about the thumbnails. It starts with a powerful script. A well-structured script improves your watch time, engagement, and overall video performance. Once you can get your script down, once you can get the perfect script for a video, you can easily turn that video into your most watched or your most highly recommended video ever. So the thing is, the key elements for having a viral script would be a strong hook, clear structure, engaging storytelling, pattern interruptions, and compelling call to action. If you can include a compelling call to action at the beginning, the middle part of your script, and at the end, you're going to get a wonderful call to action that would resonate with your audience. All right, so how can you access Claude AI as someone who just wants to write scripts? You just want to use Claude AI for your scripts. It's really easy. To get started, you just have to visit the Claude AI website and sign up for a free account, which is what I've done. The sign up process is quite easy. You just need to have a Google email or maybe your iOS mail, and you could just simply log in using any of those services and you'll be given an account. It's just that easy. It's just a single click. All right, so once you've logged in, you'll then be able to generate scripts using simple prompts. So Claude gives you a limited amount of prompts you could use. If you're going to be going in depth, I would suggest upgrading to some better plans, as Claude actually offers some good plans. So on the free plan, which is where we are and what we're going to be enjoying, you get to write, edit, and create your content. You can also analyze text and images. So if you want to recreate somebody's script and you just have a screenshot, you can easily paste that screenshot here, give it an instruction, and it would help you out with that. Now we also have, integrating any context or tool and extended thinking for complex work. So you can actually put the Claude AI through some ropes. You could stress it a little bit and it will get things done for you. Now, with the pro version of Claude, you're getting more usage, you're getting Claude Code, unlimited projects, access to research. So Claude can actually do research on your behalf, and you get memory across conversations. So if you have a particular pattern, or if you've set up and configured your Claude AI or your Claude bot to be a professional scriptwriter, that memory is going to pass across to new chats. So let's say you were to create a new chat now, Claude AI would retain all of the information and promptings you had given it while it was a storyteller or a scriptwriter, basically. And you can also use Claude in Excel and use Claude in Chrome. So you get that with the Pro. With the Max, you're just getting everything up to 100. So you're getting Claude and priority access at high traffic times. So basically, you're not getting any downtime for your scripts. There's nothing like turnovers, there's nothing like delays. You just simply punch in your prompt and Claude just works like that quick. So guys, with all of this info now, we can now begin prompting our Claude and making that bot do something for us. All right, so in order to craft the perfect prompts, the quality of your script depends on the quality of your prompt, and being specific with your topic, audience, tone, and video length actually makes a difference when you're prompting. So you could just simply tell it to uh, prompt in a different way. You could write your prompt like this. You are a professional YouTube script writer, so you could just simply enter this. You are a professional script writer, and you are to create a 6-minute viral YouTube script about how to make money online. Include a strong hook, engaging storytelling, step-by-step explanations, pattern interrupts, and compelling call to actions. Target beginners and user-friendly tone. So once you've written this, all you need to do is just hit enter. And once you've hit enter, you can clearly see Claude begins to work in the background. So this ensures that Claude generates a structured and engaging script. So we've given it some of the perfect patterns to use when it's going to be creating our content by including a strong hook, engaging storytelling, step-by-step explanations, pattern interrupts, and a compelling call to action. These all mixed together give you one of the best scripts you could ever get. And also a simple topic. So this is the topic. You can see it's viral format, 6 minutes, beginner friendly. about 850 words. Now, the script structure is as follows: the hook, the story, the promise, the method, the mindset shift, and the call to action. So, when you read the script through, you wouldn't notice any discrepancies. You're going to notice a blend of perfectly working and functioning words, emotions, script, the entire script writing package. So basically, structure of a viral YouTube script, Claude can actually generate scripts using a proven structure. You could just give it how you want your structure to look. If you want to change the hook for the story, so if you want to begin with a story, then a hook, you can do that. If you want the call to action first at the beginning instead of the hook, you can do that as well. So, and once your script has been done, once Claude has laid out your script in front of you, all you need to do, you can see it's still working, it's still scripting. All you need to do is just simply refine and improve your scripts. So after the script has been generated fully, you can refine it with follow-up prompts like make the hook more attention grabbing. It's going to go ahead and change the hook for you. Add storytelling elements, simplify the language for beginners, shorten the script to 5 minutes. So this script is 6 minutes, so I can just simply tell it to shorten to 2 minutes and hit enter, and Claude is actually going to follow that instruction and shorten that script a bit more. All right, so you can also add pattern interrupts to boost your retention. You could include some interruptions that, you know, interrupt the moments that re-engage your viewers. So basically, with the added addition of pattern interruptions, you can, get back the focus of your audience. All right, guys. So you can also repurpose your script for multiple platforms. You can tell it to write a script for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and any other platform. All right, guys. So that's it. Just go ahead and save your prompt template, and you can reuse this prompt as many times as you need to. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.